Oh boy. Am I glad to be back here. That's right, everyone. It's the continuation of last episode of Slime Rancher 2. I'm here in, I think it's called the Grey Labyrinth, and I'm gonna need to find Gigi, so I think I have a lot to do and a lot to explore, but, oh, found her. No, just kidding. But yes, I'm your host, Lost Mercury, pronouns they and he, and yeah, I'm just ready to get started. What is that? Polari cherry. You shouldn't like mash it and then you can get both flavors. Black indigonium. Ooh, do I have a open inventory? I do have a refinery link. Great. So now I can worry a little less about having no space. Ooh. Ah, it makes a half and half tree. I'm definitely gonna have to make that at home. It's just too cool. Wait, what's this? Twin slime! Know thyself, and thy other self as well. What is this? Eh? Rock twin largo. Oh. Ow. Get out of here. Oh. Well, they all left. GG. Have you watched the sunset inside of the labyrinth? The darkness of the night creeps in, and yet it's all an illusion. Or at least it has to be. Speaking of darkness, what's with those shadowy slimes I've seen? Shadow slimes are a strange variant of slimes that seem to be the opposing polarity of the prisma core made manifest. I still don't know if they were specifically created by someone to be this kind of opposing force, or if they evolved to be that way, you know, how nature always seems to find a way. Either way, shadow plorts seem to provide a kind of dampening effect to prisma disruptions. It's a long shot, but maybe they can somehow be used to negate the effects of the prisma core. Got any shadow slime tips? They're slippery little fellows, aren't they? Shadow slimes will quickly flee from you or prisma disruptions, so your best bet is to search areas that were not recently under the effects of a prisma disruption. Once you do see a group of them, you may need to sneak up on them and then try to knock out as many plorts as possible before they all flee, so be sure to bring some extra junk in your backpack just for that. Just don't go chasing one off a ledge or something. I'm definitely not speaking from experience there. Oof. Why did you trust me with all of this? Oh, I'm no hero, Beatrix. So I knew that I needed a real hero to stop what is happening here. And a hero, well, a hero you can trust. I mean, if you can't, then who else is there? So I tried to picture the perfect person for this job, and it was you. I've had my trust broken before, and that's what caused everything to go wrong. I trusted the wrong people, but this is my chance to make it right. You might not feel it yet, but you are a hero, Beatrix. You will become one in time. There's so many amazing adventures ahead of you, I promise. In time, this will be just another chapter in the awesome adventures of Beatrix LeBeau. Another story for some little girl to read under a tree and dream that her life might even be as grand as a tale. Yeah, I better keep moving. I'm starting to lose my capacity to read. happy to shed some light on you, or happy to shed some light for you whenever you need it. Are you in there? Oh, there's a Purtle. Let me in. Let me in. Okay. There's so many resources here. Love that for me. Hi. Get in the water. Oh, is it because it's raining he can just go? He's going to his 9 to 5. Oh, just kidding. He got lost. Hi. Oh. I wish this could be my ranch. Isn't it beautiful? Despite everything, there's a part of me that is still happy to see it all again. Wait a minute. That's the same one I already interacted with before. Why did I just get money? What is happening? Oh, so cute. There's definitely gonna be some kind of puzzle, I think. What does this do? Did that do anything? It's like lighting up like it knows something is inside of it. But what does it mean? I don't understand. Ah. You see, I need to get some shadow slime plorts. Well, that requires finding some first. Man. I had a dream just like this once. I was like standing on a cliff and there were a bunch of like purple fog. And then when I went down there, there was a big dragon. I actually drew it. I probably have no idea where that drawing is though. Oh, I see purple honey. Royal jelly? Yeah, it is! That's so good. Oh, but where are all of the shadow slimes? Oh my gosh. Okay. I don't think I could get up there. Actually, I might be able to. It's a little risky, but, gotta risk it for the biscuit, right? Whoa! Is there nothing up here, though? There's nothing up here, is there? Darn. Oh! Well, actually, this might go somewhere. Yeah, I'm like up here. What an incredible view. So easy to get lost in the beauty of it. That is, until a prisma disruption turns it all into chaos. Yeah, finding your way around here is hard enough without them. I thought that might be the case, so I've been developing a gadget that should provide useful to you. I call it a disruption detector, and it does exactly that. Placing them around the labyrinth will tell you when a prisma disruption is about to happen in that area. It even works on your map. I'll give you one I made myself, as well as the blueprint, so you can fabricate as many as you need. Thanks. How do I get prisma plorts? Prisma plorts can be acquired within the chaotic prisma disruptions that happen all over the labyrinth. Prismatic disruptions will cause areas to suddenly glow with prismatic energy, intensifying over time. During these disruptions, you can find food on the ground that has become unstable from the effects of the prisma core. If you feed this food to the slimes will produce an unstable plort. So yeah, how do we stabilize them? Unstable plorts can be stabilized into prisma plorts by prisma plorts, let's say that 10 times fast, using stabilizers that you'll find in the labyrinth. Based on my findings, they come in two forms. First are the large, ring-like ancient stabilizer devices you will find tucked away in the labyrinth. They're big and hard to miss, so that's what I was jumping through. Then there are the ethereal temporal stabilizers that randomly appear as small golden rings of energy during prisma disruptions. Disruptions are chaotic, so keep your eyes peeled. In either case, shooting unstable plorts through these rings will yield prisma plorts. And with the ancient stabilizers, you can even leap through them to stabilize all your plorts at once. It's fun! Well, fun if it weren't for the fact that the world around you at the time is likely exploding, with dangerous energies and unstable plorts are flying out of your tank. Either way, it's an adventure, right? Goodbye. Thank you. Oh my god, what is that? I got him. Oh my god, where did Plort go? I have no space. Oh! There's a bunch right there. Okay, I know what I have to do. First I put down the refinery link. I don't need these. I'll come back for them later. Bye! Is that for a shadow plort? I bet it is. No! I hate my life. This one wants a shadow plort. Great. Alright, well I have one. So let's go take this one to the statue first. Where did it go? Okay. So it's in there, but now what does it do? I'm gonna be stuck in here for like 10 episodes. There's just so much to do. feel like I'm never gonna run out of things to do. This is like a little garden of all the fruits. That's cute. Ooh. Cool. It's so easy to get lost in thought admiring this strange architecture and wondering where it all came from, isn't it? I don't want to do lore right now. My throat is not up to it. And so we... Oh, here's some more. Nice. Well, I guess let's grab this and take it back. Really? Alright, fine. I'll take the geyser up. Whew. What the heck? It's so much further away than it looks. Is this wrong? There we go. Took a minute. So what did that do? I need to find a singularity. Oh, everything's getting weird. This is so cool. There's some. Ah! Wow, that lagged my computer really hard. Oh! Oh! No, no, no! Stop. There we go. Oh, those tars. Ah! Phew. Well, that happened. Oof, that one's gonna need a lot. Hey everyone, it's Lost Mercury from the future. I just finished editing this video and making a thumbnail. Now I'm gonna upload it. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like and subscribe. And if you want to leave a comment to say hi, I respond to almost all of my comments. I probably got like a 98% response rate or something. They don't have a stat for that. Either way, I'd love to hear from you. Hope you have a great morning, night, evening, snack time, whatever it is. And I'll see you next episode. Bye!